Hello loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make quality liquid soap at home. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you. The first thing you're going to do is to get a bowl, a clean bowl. Then you add 3 liters of water, okay? We are making 6 liters of liquid soap. Then next you add your Nitrosol, which is your thickener, and you stir alongside. So once it's completely dissolved, you leave it for about 30 minutes or more to thicken. So as you guys can see, our Nitrosol is thickened. You guys are seeing this. Set that aside. Then get another container, pour in your sulphonic acid. Sulphonic acid is a foaming agent, okay? We are making a thick and a very foamy liquid soap. So pour in your sulphonic acid. Then also add your Texapoon. Texapoon is also a foaming agent. Add your fragrance or perfume. This is lemon fragrance. And mix very well. This will take about 10 minutes. Add 2.5 liters of water. Then you stir for another 10 minutes. The next thing is to add the sulphonic acid solution to the Nitrosol. So stir this until it blends, and this will take about 15 minutes. Add your dissolved caustic soda. Remember to ferment for 24 hours. Then this is called SLS. It's also a foam booster. You're going to dissolve this in water. So here is the dissolved SLS. Add it to the solution. Then you stir. this is dissolved soda ash. Okay, so the soda ash neutralizes the effect of the caustic soda. Okay, then you stir as well. Then the next ingredient is called foam booster. Okay, foam booster. So we added 4 different types of foam booster. We are making a highly foamy liquid soap. So add your foam booster and stir very, very well. So here is a colorant. This is water soluble color. You're going to dissolve it in water, and we're using green color. Okay, so add the dissolved color to the solution and stir as well. Now it depends on you, the color depends on you. If you want it to be dim or deep green, okay, you add more of the color. If you want it light, you add light. Okay, so keep stirring. As you guys can see, our soap is highly foamy. Okay, so don't mind the foam, just keep stirring. So this is our soap. You're going to leave this for about 24 hours or so. Okay, so by then you will no longer see the foam. You're going to see the soap proper. Okay, so here is our soap after 24 hours. As you guys can see, the foam is no longer on the soap. So this is our quality soap. As you guys can see, the soap is thick. Okay, so the 3 things people look out for in a liquid soap is how thick it is. If it's thick, then foamy, and also has a good scent. So if your foam is thick, foamy, and has a nice smell, you're good to go. So here is our soap. Add it into your bottle, your container. You can use this to wash your dishes, clean your houses, do whatever you do with soap. Okay, this is a good quality soap. So if you want to make more than 6 liters, if you want to make like 12 liters, you can multiply it by 2 or thereabouts. Okay, so this is a thick, foamy, and good scented liquid soap. I'll be leaving all the measurements in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Guys, this is a high quality soap, so make sure you try this out. Like I said, I'll be leaving the information, like the measurements, in the description below, so you guys can try it on your own. And please share this information, like share this video with as many persons as possible. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like I said, share like I said, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Have a lovely, fabulous, wonderful year, and bye for now.